Hi guys! Para dun sa mga nagtatanong kung ano yung next steps na gagawin nila after registering their accounts. So, click on deposit. Ayan. And then select mo yung transfer to smart account. Pwede rin naman transfer to wallet account. But mas mabilis itong transfer to smart account. So, click on that. And then, pwede ka nang mamili dito kung anong crypto yung gusto mong i-deposit. But in my case, since this is Tron 2019, so TRX na lang. Yan din yung pinakamaliit yung gas fee. Okay? So, i-click mo lang choose Tron and then lalabas na yung wallet address. So, it's either scan mo to or copy mo yung wallet address dito. And then, after you transfer the funds, after you deposit, maghintay ka lang like 1 minute up to 2 minutes. Pag successfully or completed na yung withdrawals mo dun sa external wallet, pwede mo na i-click yung submit successfully. Okay? So, pwedeng unclickable yan. Pwede rin namang once you click the submit successfully, babalik ka na dito sa pinaka-dashboard mo. Okay? So, it's okay. Magre-reflect dyan yung capital mo. So, i-click mo lang tong invest sa gitna. Dito lalabas yung dineposit mo, kung magkano yung deposit. Okay? So, after that, wala ka nang gagawing iba kundi mag-wait ng 24 hours para ma-receive mo yung rewards mo or yung profit mo for 1 day. Okay? So, daily dapat pupunta ka sa income dito para i-receive mo yung income mo. Like in my case, ayan, after 24 hours to guys bago magkaroon ng received button here. Okay? So, ito yung income ko for today. Click ko lang yung receive. And that's it. Pupunta na siya sa withdrawal wallet mo. Okay? So, don't forget, magkiklik ka ng receive every day kasi pag hindi ka nakapag-receive at lumagpas na yung 24 hours, magdi-disappear yung profit mo dyan. So, dapat i-receive mo siya para pumasok sa withdrawal wallet. So, after that, pwede ka nang mag-withdraw. Okay? Punta ka lang dito sa mine at makikita mo na yung withdrawal button there. So, click on that. And, ayan, I have 65.04 withdrawal balance. So, any amount na meron dyan, pwede mong i-withdraw. Kahit 1 tron lang yan. Okay? There's no fee. So, makikita mo rin dito yung status, allow withdrawal. So, we are allowed to withdraw once daily. Minsan lang yan, guys. And, minimum withdrawal is 1 TRX. Diba? So, ayan guys. Pwede na tayo mag-withdraw. Click lang yung choose withdrawal account. Ayan, digital currency wallet. Select that. Tapos, i-type natin yung amount. So, again, whole numbers lang, guys. So, hindi pwedeng i-type yung 0.04. So, let's withdraw 65. And then, ayan, sa password, guys, pag first time mo mag-withdraw, i-ask ka na mag-set up ng withdrawal password. Okay? So, magkaiba yan sa login password mo. So, make sure to save that. Okay? So, i-type mo lang yan. So, click withdrawal. And when it says success, that's it. So, ayan guys. Ayan yung today's withdrawal ko. So, ganun lang din yung gagawin nyo. Everyday once na withdrawals. And let's see my withdrawals here on my Trust Wallet. So, napakabilis lang ng withdrawal dito. Very instant. Ayan. So, click natin yung Trust Wallet. There you go. So, mapapansin mo dyan, I have 217 TRX here. Okay. Let's click on that. And let's refresh. So, 217 kanina. Now, it's 282. So, it means pumasok na yung 65 TRX na withdraw natin. So, ito yun guys. Very, very instant po yung withdrawals. So, that's it guys. That's how you do Tron 2019. Still, it's a good record guys. For me, sobrang bilis ng withdrawals. And, yeah, we are earning 10% daily of whatever amount you deposit here. And, kung marami kang Tron na pang-invest, so, mas malaki yung pwede mong i-earn. Okay? So, that's how you do it, guys. And again, please subscribe to my channel. Let's keep in touch. and I will show you a lot of ways on how to make money online. So thank you for watching again, guys. This is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.